These are Olympic athletes. Whoa. Good job! Good job! Go Patric! Patric!
Baby, I love you.
Guys, it is race day. It's been a very busy morning. I'm doing a really short check-in because basically what I've been doing is meeting Patric like around the marathon to cheer him on. This morning I had to get there, grab all of his stuff because I have his phone, I have his hoodie that he uses, well his pullover that he uses like when he's gonna when we're gonna meet at the end of the race. I had to grab that from him, and then I met him at mile 6.5, 7. And so then what I'm gonna do now, I had to use the bathroom. So I'm in his hotel room now. I just peed, and what I'm about to do is go because he wants to get champagne rosé for as part as like his celebration. So I need to make sure I get the rosé, and I might get coffee to warm up, and I'm gonna try to meet him at another mile. The problem is I don't really know Philadelphia, and so I don't know the area well enough, and like the map is not interactive. Like when you zoom in on like the Philly Marathon app, it doesn't really like show exactly where certain things are. So like that's the part that's like because I want to like meet him throughout the race. But they do a GPS tracker, like if you're ever interested in like marathons and things like that. So like right now he is like, because I'm looking on my phone, it has like where he is. We see where it says PC, that's him. And so let me see where he's at now. He's almost at, it looks like he's already, I met him at mile 7, he's already at mile 9. Overall, like this race is super organized. Like I think it's because it's so big. It's just a big race. Like I said earlier, like 15,000 people are here running the marathon. So this is a huge race. And again, like this is the qualifier for the Boston Marathon. We're hoping, we are praying, we know he's gonna get it, but like obviously it's just a big race. Like this race is different. I've gone to a lot of Patric's races, and like the aura in this race, it's so high stakes, and we are gonna kill it. So it's been really good to see. It's really mesmerizing. Like y'all know I could do a lot of solo travel, but like to be able to travel like and go somewhere, and not just go somewhere, but to be supporting my friend, like this is a super special trip. I can't say enough how proud I am of Patric. And like I used to be a cheerleader growing up, so like I like cheering people on anyway. So, and like being there for them, like when like they really need it. So like I'm honored to be able to be here and be supporting him. I think it's an amazing feat what he's doing. 26.2 miles. Like what? And it's freezing. Like I still have on my scarf because I want my head to stay warm, and I have on my hoodie, and I have on gloves, and I have on my vest. It's like I would say like 43, 42 degrees outside, which isn't freezing, but it's like he's running in like tights and a singlet. These are athletes. So like to be around these people that are like so dedicated and are doing such an amazing, incredible feat today. Like shout out to all the athletes here. I think this is an incredible thing, and I think it's amazing to see my friends do wonderful, beautiful, great things. And I'm so proud of you, Patric Campbell. Like, babes, I'm so proud of you. think y'all understand how hard it was to find that rosé. I literally had to go to 3 stores. I went to CVS, I went to Target, and then I found this random bodega on the side of like the street, a side street, and I saw it. So they had cold beer, and I was like, okay, I'm going in. Let's see if they got it. And they had it. And like Patrick is literally like mile 23. So I'm like trying to hurry up and get there because your girl can't run like him. And I'm trying to make sure I make it. I'm getting there. Patrick, you can't tell me I don't love you because I'm running all around this damn city looking for some rosé. But I got it because I am that girl. I am that person you can rely on to get the job done. And I got it done.
By himself. That's more than the last one. Hold on. That's more than the last one.
Is the first and largest cancer. What
Patrick!
is that with the efforts of the AACR and its 58,000 members worldwide, the U.S. cancer death rate fell.
And you got your time. Boston Marathon, here we go.
2026.
Curious. Look at you. 26.2, buddy.
Yeah, I'm chucking rosé.
How do you feel?
Honestly, like I'm in a lot of pain.
Yeah.
But like it's a good kind of pain, honestly, like period. Like I fucking did that, like
You
big
did.
part of me.
I'm so
like who
proud
does
of you.
this? Like diva up. Like I was giving. I was really giving.
You
Like,
were,
I was
though.
going at a gorgeous pace. Like clock that tea real quick. Clock that tea, mama. It was going fast.
You really were.
Diva was killing it.
I was like,
She was like giving her 10.
Literally.
I was like, yes. This
By the way-
is pretty good.
I got the best one I could find.
I was going fast.
Yeah, you were going real fast. I was like, especially when you hit mile, what was it? In between 6 and
Like
7.
right around 10K mark.
You got there in 30 minutes. So I was like, oh, this is different.
You know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Like this is like me. And I'm cold. How's it going, people?
Hey guys, reporting live from Philadelphia Airport. Can you believe it? Not me doing check-ins the whole time I was on this trip. I'm getting better, you guys. Something about having AirPods in too, and them like being like noise canceling. I don't know what it is. Like, it's kind of like I hone in, and I don't care about vlogging in public because vlogging in public is a skill. And can we get in? I do not know why I look so pale. It's like Philadelphia took all the melanin out of my skin. Like, what is happening right now? I'm like, I need to go get in the sun ASAP. This trip has officially come to a close. I hope you guys enjoyed Philadelphia. I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you hear noise in the background, it's literally because I'm in the airport, so that's why I was making that noise. Like, I feel like it's like a white noise sound. I really enjoyed my time here. Philadelphia is a city of so much history because I live in Atlanta, and so Atlanta was burned down, and so we just don't have a lot of historic buildings and things like that. So to be in a city that has like actual like real history, older buildings, a culturally rich vibe, I'm down for it. And seeing my friend, like, it was really inspiring to me to see him not just run the marathon, but place. He got 4th place in his group, and he got 4th overall, which I thought was spectacular. And it was really inspiring just to not just see him, but all of the athletes and all the people show up for them and them run a marathon, because, like, people aren't running marathons, and running marathons, making it look as good as y'all do. Like, shout out to every single person who had the discipline, the rigor to do that. I think that's amazing. It inspired me to actually finally run a 5K. Literally, I'm not even capping. I'm inspired. I'm going to run a 5K next year. Like, that's going to be one of my goals for next year, run a 5K. Philly overall is a different vibe, okay? One of my closest friends ever, Justice King, is from Philadelphia. She's actually already flew in today, and so the one time I'm in her city, we're literally missing each other. I understand her wholeheartedly now. People in Philadelphia do not play. I feel like the people in Philly are like what people think New Yorkers are. Like, people think New Yorkers don't play, but the people in Philly legitimately do not play. They do not play. They are a different breed of people, and they're about that life. That's all I'm gonna say. They are about, I don't care what color they are. I don't care if you're white, Indian, Asian. They're about that life, and they don't play. That's why Philly, nice place, beautiful place. The people are real. Like, the people are real. We are up north, so the vibe is not going to be Southern hospitality. And so if that's the vibe you're looking for, go to Atlanta, Georgia. Go to Houston, Texas. But if you want real, and you want good food, and you want authentic vibes, and you want history, and it's pretty. I feel like Philly's super pretty. Philly's the place for you. I definitely will be back. Like, I definitely want to come back to Philly. Like, I kind of want to do 4th of July here one year, or Made in America, if they still do Made in America. That was a huge festival that used to happen. I don't know if it happens anymore, but I do know that 4th of July, obviously, is every single year. So I definitely want to come here for 4th of July one year and see what it's about. So definitely want to come here for the summer. Wonderful time. Thank you, Philly, for hosting us. Thank you for showing us love. Thank you for people of Philadelphia for being authentically you. And I'm here for it. So, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, push notifications, travel funds in the description if you want to support me directly. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It costs you nothing. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It costs you nothing to subscribe, like, for real. And thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.